Hey there friends, it's Weavler here. Today I'm going to talk about what to do if you're not getting SMS codes in Telegram. First, head into Telegram settings, go to storage and make sure you've got enough space so your phone isn't completely full. Alright, then check that you don't have any proxies connected. By the way, storage usage is right here. Next, go to settings. Oh, and also make sure Telegram is updated. You can go to the Play Store, search for Telegram and check if it's updated. Just to ensure it's the latest version. Okay, next go to settings and type Telegram here. Here we go. Actually, let's do it through the app itself. Here's Telegram. Okay, and make sure your notifications are on. Mine are off right now, so turn them on here and see if that helps. If it doesn't, try reinstalling the app or clearing the cache, but this will erase all your Telegram data. For example, I've got 10 gigs of data and it'll wipe it all out. Okay, lastly, check that your operating system is up to date. Go to About Phone. And here, check for updates. Got any updates? That's all for now. This was Wavler. See you guys.